Okay. So this is based on item usage. Let's say I have an item for LMS training. This training. Okay. Now hear what I'm doing. We are going step by step, right? 1 unit, then 1 unit. We just like that, we are going. And we said this, what this particular, I mean this item we are completing. Now we have completed only 50%. Okay, how many people we have assigned this training, or this training is being utilized by? These are 3. How many of them have completed it? This is 1. And this comes from the survey background. You don't do it. And how many percent it automatically counts? And mean score is 3. Which is 3. If you want, you can remove, but this will be there. So there were 2 items we have created to this or we attached to the survey, out of which 3 people were assigned with it. This particular item. Yes. 1 completed, which is the percentage. So if I go to our survey and I assigned it to 1 training, right? Yes. There's nobody. So it's 0. Yeah. Let me show you. I can. Can you see? Okay. Not a sign. 0. So I didn't do anything. Yeah. These things are from the background. When we set up the survey. So once I assign it to maybe I have to ask after the class. I have to manually go in and assign them. No. See, I assigned this training to 1 person. Yes. Now this item, either as an employee, I will go and assign it to myself to complete. Or as a mandatory training my manager will assign to me. Correct. The moment that person or I myself assign to myself, it will automatically count the number 1. Okay. You assign to it or your manager assign it to you too, and, based on our completion, it will show the completion and percentage. So the percentage is percentage of completion. Correct. Then how do they calculate the mean score? Mean based on this completion only. Let's say we have 10 people. We got 10 people assigned to it. Out of that, only the 3 people completed, or 4 people. So it will based on that, it will count the mean score. How many people got assigned? Okay, so mean score is more of how many people actually come. And based on how many people we are calculating the entire data. So mean score is actually the score from, based on the result. Is it a result? Yeah. Not on people, right? The mean score is a result, right? Oh, as this mean is like the exact number that we are dividing. So like mean median mode. I'm sure you must have heard about it. In statistics, you will see mean median mode. So mean is like the number that we are dividing. Median is the between number, the middle number, and the mode that we are using in order to find. So mean is like an average score, like everything add up and divided by. So it's not a KPI. Can I say that it's not right? No, that's not that. Just the process shows that how many people are signed with survey and doing it. It must be somewhere here. I'm not sure how do they call it. Oh, survey. Analyzed report. No, that's not. It's a report. Well, that was interesting because I was wondering, how do they calculate the KPI, if there's any? Oh, here you go. Questions. How many percent? 91, 18.2. Oh, how do they do this? Survey report. That's a report. That's not. Okay, oh, sorry, that's a survey itself. That's the report. So don't worry about it.